Bonjour, bon après-midi, bonsoir, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on the time you are watching this video. Je m'appelle Oluwatoyin. My name is Oluwatoyin. Je t'apprends le français aujourd'hui. I'll be teaching you French today. Commence par l'alphabet. We'll be starting with the alphabet. So from letter A, you know this English way of teaching children alphabets, A, B, C, D. So you can decide to use the French alphabet like that too, like A, B, C, D, E, F. Let's hear it first.
A,
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 B,
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 B. Please say it after me the way I am saying it after it too.
C,
Say,
C,
say.
C.
Let's go.
C,
Say,
D,
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 E,
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 F,
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 G,
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 H,
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 I,
U,
I,
U,
I,
U,
J,
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 K,
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 L,
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 M,
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 N,
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 O,
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 P,
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 Q,
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 R,
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 her,
R,
her,
R,
her,
S,
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 T,
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 U,
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 V,
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 W,
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 X,
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 Y,
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 Z,
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 Z.
Z. Thank you for watching this video today. Till I come again with the number in French. Bye. Au revoir.